sometimes clients get too focused on their project and running their project and worrying about, hey, this guy was 15 minutes late and this guy, that's my job. That's why you hired me. You hired me so that you did not have to have that frustration, because it's mine. And that's why I get paid. So you don't need to worry about it. Our projects should be fun. We should talk about, on a weekly basis, we should just sit back, relax, talk about everything that got done during the week. And you know what? If there was something that didn't go exactly right, we'll make it right. Our company motto is make it work. So when things do come up, things that are unexpected, I'm not going to lie to you, they do happen. But we're solution-minded. We take care of it. My goal is for you to have an awesome project. We're so self-centered on the actual function and looks of your project, I won't settle for any less. So the frustrations that clients get sometimes are totally 100% self-made, because they're taking a stress that I should have, and I'm very good at it.